Hey DC, whether you're a first-time parent or caregiver or a seasoned pro, the goal is the same: raising a healthy, happy child. But no one has all the answers, and sometimes raising a child can feel tough. That's where HealthySteps comes in. HealthySteps is a program available to DC families, regardless of ability to pay. It provides support for the whole family by meeting you where you are and connecting you to services like developmental and family screenings, mental health support for parents, positive parenting guidance, care coordination, and more. Every child deserves a healthy start and the opportunity to thrive. And by investing in the earliest years of a child's life, families can help build a strong foundation for a bright future. Together, we can build a better, healthier future for families living in the district. HealthySteps is available through select primary care providers at MedStar Georgetown Kids Mobile Medical Clinic, MedStar Georgetown Family Medicine Fort Lincoln, Children's National Anacostia, Children's National The Arc, Unity Healthcare Minnesota Avenue, and Unity Healthcare East of the River. Contact your provider there and ask for HealthySteps to see how you can receive support for you and your child.